rabun tua. Are you like me? Alright, hear me out. Ini satu perkongsian yang sangat best. So please sabar dengan cerita saya, storytelling. Alright. So bila saya kenal rabun tua, I was 42 years old. Mula-mula kan bila kau tengok macam ni, kau boleh tengok lagi. Tapi samar-samar, makin lama makin jauh, makin jauh, makin jauh. I didn't really notice saya rabun tua until one of my friends, just kenapa tengok begitu jauh sudah? Kau rabun tua sudah kah? Oh ya, kan rabun tua sudah mungkin saya ni, right? Then I knew that it was getting worse, dia makin teruk. Oleh kerana itu I had to get reading glasses. Okay, rabun tua lah dia bilang kan. But recently Atomy Malaysia had launched a product that is called Ailwazantin. Okay. So before tu I thought bila kau sudah kena rabun tua, tidak boleh kena tolong sudah. Alright. So kalau kau tua lah itu mata, right? And Atomy Malaysia had made a explanation pasal mata. Okay, eye health and why it's happening. Kenapa banyak orang muda kita sekarang ni memakai cermin mata? And what was the cause? What is the causes and semua tu? And paling ketara punya is digital media, where mostly kita kan pakai ada handphone, kita tengok komputer, bekerja and so on. So what do we do to protect kita punya mata? Right. That is why pernah adik saya sakit sejak kepala dia until she took Ilutin, okay, dari brand line, then she feel better. Dia punya kepala, dia punya headache gone away. Sebab this digital media around us, dia actually kasih pressure kita punya mata di belakang tu lah. This is what I can remember lah daripada perkongsian yang I heard from the presentation lah from Dr. A. Okay, so it was so intriguing. Then saya okay lah, saya belilah. I want to try one box. So I bought one box. It was so affordable because it's only 79. And for product untuk mata is not cheap. I tell you it's not cheap because I bought eye product for my children. Harga dia 350, 250. Wow, that's not cheap, you know. And to do maintenance is not. So last saya give up. Okay, I cannot maintain it. Tapi kelebihannya is that the eye degree jatuh lah. Alright, if only I knew about this long ago. If only Atomy had this long ago. So saya belilah. And most Ilutin yang I sendiri pernah ambilkan, it doesn't taste good at all. Geli saya. I mean, apalagi kalau kau tergigit yang mostly comes in gel. But this Atomy Ailwazantin comes in sebuk. And kebaikan dia datang dengan sebuk, it absorb much better into our body. And this one is so delicious. Dia sangat sedap. Alright, macam kau makan gula-gula. Saya tidak tahu lah. Yang dulu-dulu, because agak berusia sikit kan. So yang macam dulu-dulu punya, kan ada jual gula-gula sebuk tu. Macam tu. It's so delicious. Sampai I gave to my friend, kasih cuba anak dia pun kesedapan. Sampai anak dia was willing to eat this. Because kebanyakan anak kita is on the iPhone, on the iPad ataupun terpaksa buat project. We cannot stop them from using this digital media. Things like that kan. Okay, panjang soal lebar cerita saya. Therefore, I took this for some times. And dalam 2 minggu, kau tahu apa saya perasan? I'm not overselling. I'm just sharing from my own experience. Dulu macam ni, I cannot read. Saya memang tidak boleh baca sudah. But lately, saya boleh baca. Saya boleh baca macam ni, tapi dia tidak terang. Dia samar-samar. Yang macam baru dulu saya mau start rabun tua. Okay, itu yang saya perasan. Therefore, saya start ambil lah hari-hari. I don't want to skip because it was advised to really see the result is between 6 to 12 months. Okay, the maintenance lah untuk ni. And I don't find this is expensive. 79 bahagi 30 sachet, berapa kita dapat. And kalau kita buat Sheba yang 3 kotak among friends, it's cheaper. It's 75 by 4 ringgit lah, lebih murah. Why not kan? And saya makan sayur. Okay, kalau kau makan sayur consistently, okay lah. Because kalau kita kuat makan lobak, yes, our eyes can be much better. But how often kita makan lobak? Itu soalan dia. How often? Macam sekarang nih banyak budak-budak saya perasan tidak pandai makan sayur, termasuk anak saya. Okay, termasuk anak saya. And a lot of them like to read digitally on the Kindle or iPhone. They suka reading in the dark. So this eye lozentin actually helps to protect kita punya eye, and slowly apa yang saya fahamkan, nutrients or whatever missing in our eyes dia akan kasih masuk. So di sini dia ada share that this eye lutein sangat sesuai kepada orang yang ada eye strength yang tinggi. So you selalu sakit kepala, dim eyes due to aging, a lot selalu macam kata yang apa dia bilang tu yang silau malam, selalu tengok TV dan memerlukan nutrien mata kita tanpa berfikir cukup ke tidak nutrien untuk mata saya untuk hari ini, dan selalu menggunakan komputer. So ni eye lozentin ni kan dia mempunyai 4 aspek yang betul-betul tolong kita punya mata, which is the Lutamax 2020, dan dia juga mempunyai 6 jenis buah-buahan like berry extract, blackcurrant and so on. Dia ada mixed berries, and paling power is that dia ada astaxanthin, zinc and vitamin A. Ini yang actually in a packet it helps a lot of if you have dry eyes yang selalu teary things like that lah. Okay, this one can take anytime. Dia juga vegan and halal. Alright. And family, anak-anak pun boleh ambil. Start your children early kalau kamu tidak mau dia punya mata cepat rosak lah. So here I'm gonna just show to you. Okay, dia macam purple-purpley. Alamak, macam ni color dia. Alah, sorry ya, saya makan dulu. Sangat sedap. It's really sedap. I cannot deny dia macam gula-gula sedap dia, tapi dia bukan gula-gula ya. So if you looking for a product for your eye, supplement for your eye, please try the eye lozentin. You'll be very happy. Kamu akan sangat happy. Okay, start with children. Kasih kalau anak kita yang jenis tidak makan sayur. Okay, sebab kalau kita tengok rata-rata kan satu kelas tu banyak orang pakai cermin mata, termasuk anak saya. Okay, so yeah, if there is a chance to kasih bukan totally kasih hilang lah, but improve our eye punya health, why not kan? It's an investment sebab mata kita ni pembuka kepada semua dunia. Okay, we can see what's happening and so on, dekat sama di jauh. If we don't have that, it'll be very sad kan. So yeah, that is my perkongsian hari ini pasal Atomy Eye Lozentin. This is my own personal sharing and my own testimony and my own experience. Alright, so you want to know more information, do go to Atomy website. Dia ada perkongsian, you go to channel Atomy. Dia ada dalam bahasa Cina, bahasa Malaysia dan juga English. Alright, that's all for me. If you like this video, please like and share. Bye.